Panchakalpatarubhyascha kripasindhubhya cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Dandavat devotees, welcome, and this is our regular slot. The last time we missed it for a good reason. Unfortunately, the COVID virus is going everywhere, and we also had our turn at having the COVID virus. However, we're back, we're here with you live, and by the Lord's grace, whatever happens is the Lord's grace, but by the Lord's grace we're able to continue to share some thoughts with the sincere seekers, those who wish to hear. Devotional service is voluntary. Everybody can, in this world, go to wherever they get some mood, some inspiration, something which resonates with their heart, and birds of a feather flock together. We're happy to be with whoever is with us, and we're here to chant the glories of Srila Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rock Sridhar, Dev Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda, Dev Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Prabhupada, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, and Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who has brought Krishna consciousness to the whole world through cleaning up the Sampradaya of Mahaprabhu, the greatest gift that the world has ever seen, Krishna Prema, coming at the most unfortunate time, the time of Kali Yuga, the time of quarrel, the time of so many degraded things, bad nature, short life, short intelligence, always fighting, this kind of nature. It is Kali Yuga. Kaler dosha nide rajam. And in this Kali Yuga, it is an ocean of fault. But there is one greatest quality, that by the congregational chanting, the chanting of the holy names of the Lord, then the highest goal, the highest destination, which is not even recognized in the Vaikunthas by most of the residents, that of Krishna Prema, is being distributed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, a very wonderful time. The nature of the person, us, the soul, the Atma, the Jiva Atma, the nature of the Jiva, when all other coverings are removed, is to be a devotee. The nature is devotion, to be a giving unit, not an exploiting unit. And as quickly as we can come to understand that we must remove all the unwanted coverings which are telling us otherwise, and so that we can come across that treasure of our devotional nature hidden deep down inside, then the more that we can do this, the more we will be successful in this human life. By giving, then this we are getting the highest quality, highest standard of nourishment, of fulfillment, than by exploiting, by taking from others. If I'm getting $1 million, and that's $1 million somebody's lost from somewhere, that has come. Nothing has come from nowhere. So by taking from others in order that we can go up and others will go down, this is very much an animalistic angle of vision, and exploitation is the nature of the animal world. But here in the human world we can find some of the keys to open the doors of the jail, first of all to our cell, and then to the corridor, and then to the block, and then finally to get the key which will let us come out from the jail itself into the open society, and where we will be welcomed into the open society as a contributor, as a beneficial contributor to the society at large. And of course, this society we are talking about is Krishna's society, the land of God, the land of love and affection, the land where Krishna is at the center. And this is achieved by devotion, by cleaning off the things which are making us, if you like, an enemy to society, an exploiter, someone who's trying to take it from everywhere. That's not exactly contributing to the society, it is doing the opposite. And so when everything is taken, the exploiting natures are all taken away, what's left behind? It's not zero. With life, we are people, we have nature, we have willing, feeling and thinking. So that willing, feeling and thinking in its healthy position is as a dedicator. And everybody likes to give. Everyone likes to see their children, their grandchildren being happy, giving them some presents, this, that and the other. No matter how big a criminal they may be in the world, they've got some soft spot for giving something nice to the children, to the needy, to the family. But giving for the Lord, this is the central and lasting theme. And this is devotion. Every other form of giving, it is temporary. It is better than nothing, but it is not the solution. The solution is to understand where to put our energy. And when we can understand and feel and do, with our very thought, word and deed, action for the satisfaction of the Lord, this is called Bhakti Yoga, devotional service to the Supreme Lord, Krishna. Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita, Krishna spoke to Uddhava, Krishna spoke to so many in his form as various incarnations. The record is there in Srimad Bhagavatam, the spotless Purana from 5,000 years ago, written in Sanskrit, mostly in Sanskrit verse. And there we've got the record of so many instructions from the Lord himself, guidance from him about devotion, devotional service. How Krishna is the origin of the origin of everything. And he is the origin of us. We are part of everything. And we are for him, for his satisfaction. So when that devotion is woken up, uncovered from the depths of our heart and woken up, then we will find home comfort when we are in our proper position as a contributor towards the center, not as a separate center trying to compete with others. So this life of devotion, it attracted so many of us from all over the world that here we have guidance of how to use our energy properly. We can do so many altruistic things in this world, but without putting God at the center, without putting Krishna at the center, then the altruistic things are only the plus and the minuses within the material plane. And so with good karma, we get our like a wage packet as a result of good karma, and that when that is spent, then we've also got to take account for all the bad karma, and even the things that we do which we think are good. Then they may also be mixed. In fact, they are mixed if they're not for Krishna, for the Lord and his devotees. And so we think we do something good by opening a hospital. By opening a hospital, we've had to cut down many trees, kill many trees, take away the habitation of many animals. By the administration of the medicines, and so many innocent animals have been tested upon, and so many suffering of so many things. We think, okay, it's a very good thing to do, but it's all mixed. Some good has come, and some bad has also come. So with the good, some good paycheck, some bad paycheck, some loan, if you like. But in devotion to Krishna, everything is good. When we offer food to him, the tree is happy to give the fruit. The plant is happy to give the vegetable. The flowers are happy to give, the flower bushes are happy to give the flowers. They're all nourished and pleased that their fruit, their flower, what they have produced, or this is going to be offered to the Lord. If an artist in this world has his art or his or her art selected for being offered to the king, they're not going to look for any price for that. They're thinking, oh, the king or the queen, my art has been offered to them, and they're very satisfied, and it is hanging, my art piece is hanging in their favorite room, their living room or something. The artist will be so happy to know that. But this is still within the mundane plane, but it is an example, a clue of how the things created by nature, then if it's us who makes a picture, us who does some cooking, and that's offered, oh, we are very happy, the Lord is accepting. And when the inanimate objects that can't move, can't walk around, those who are like the trees and the bushes and the vegetables, etc., when their fruits and flowers, when their produce, what they have made is offered to the Lord, they are getting sukriti, they are getting that nourishment too. So no loss, all gain. Whereas in this world, basically everything is lost when it is not centered on Krishna. And this is the root of our problem in this world, being diverted from the proper necessity of our life. The proper necessity of our life is to uncover the ego, this idea of me, mine, I am the center, me, myself, and oh, I won't die, I'm here forever, basically. Everyone else is dying, but I'm prospering. Whatever these different ideas may be that are ingrained within us as our animal part, we need to try to wake up to our proper inner interest, our eternal self, our living self. And there Krishna has given us in Bhagavad Gita, in Srimad Bhagavatam, and Krishna as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, given us in his pastimes, of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes, given in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And those who are presenting Mahaprabhu, Rupa, Sanatan, Jiva Goswami, through to our present day guardians and guides in the Parampara, they're all coming to Jeev Jago, wake up the living entities to their higher interest. And maybe from many different aspects, points of view, but all are trying to get us to look higher, to think deeper, and to make our life successful. And the essence of this comes down to constantly chanting the holy name of the Lord. And if you're short of a holy name and wonder, well, what is the Lord's name? Then Mahaprabhu has also pointed out from the ancient scriptures that the Maha Mantra of the names of the Lord, especially for Kali Yuga, is this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The greatest mantra of the names of the Lord is couched in such a way. So many things happening all the time in our remembrance of the pastimes of the Lord and his devotees. Currently, we've been very much and still absorbed in the pastime of Gauranga, Nimai Sundar, leaving from Navadip to take sannyas. He took sannyas for the benefit of the fallen souls. And before the very evening, before he left to take sannyas, he to everybody said, always chant the names of the Lord. Whatever you are doing, said, I've explained to you this Maha Mantra. Prabhu Kahilan e Maha Mantra. And then he said, now you constantly chant those holy names, the Maha Mantra. Whether you are eating, whether you are sleeping, whether you are going somewhere, waking up, doesn't matter what you're doing, constantly chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. And in his Shikshastakam prayers, 8 prayers specifically presented to us by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the very first of those prayers is telling us that by this chanting of the Maha Mantra, these unwanted coverings over our heart, which are diverting our energy in every direction, taking us away from our proper utility of our energy, all of these coverings very quickly will be removed. And the biggest fear, that of birth and death, for one who is born, the fear is of death. So the fear of death is removed. The devotee has a direction, they're going somewhere, they understand now, okay, this is my journey, I'm going to my home comfort land, the land of my constitutional position, of remembering the Lord in loving devotional service. So the Maha Mantra is so wonderful, it's free, it's for everybody, but we need to try to chant that without offense and with heart, with focus, with affection. So devotion is your nature, because your nature each of our nature, we are a tiny spark of consciousness, eternality, and joy. What's the point of living forever if we're not conscious? What's the point of consciousness without joy? And the good news is that the nature of the jiva, the soul, the person, the us who is living in the body, when everything is taken off, is we are a particle of that. We are eternal. We don't die when the body dies. We are awake. We're living. We're alive. We're not just a rock or a lump of concrete or something. And we are a taster. We taste. We have likes. We have things which nourish us. And that joy of home comfort is fully given when we can fully dedicate ourselves as a devotee of the Lord, voluntary, happily, through love and affection. This is the beautiful path given to us by Mahaprabhu and given to us by our wonderful Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rock Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj, the founder acharya of Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Math, and his intimate servitor, successor, and full chanter of his glories and revealer of who he is, Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj, our guide and guardian for so many years, and to Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who has brought us their message, brought us Guru Maharaj's message, Srila Saraswati Thakur's message, Mahaprabhu's message, to the whole world, and lives on, all of them live on, through their instructions, through their books, through their guidance, and through the devotee family who, heart by heart, have got something very wonderful from them. So home comfort, Guru Maharaj always is mentioning, home comfort we will get when we can chip away at our ego, come to our real position, which is as a devotee, and make our life successful by not just knowing how to do these things, but by doing them. So please chant Hare Krishna always and be happy. Jai to all of our spiritual masters ki jai, Jai Sriman Mahaprabhu ki jai, Shri Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, and Nama Acharya Srila Haridas Thakur ki jai. Thank you all for being here, live on Facebook, live on Instagram, and with us also in the recorded form, which is the same as live. We know in this world it is very similar. Our good wishes to you all. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhuvya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Dandavat pranam, and we'll see you soon. Hare Krishna. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasari Shri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.